Welcome, my name is Abdullah Okwemi Falade. In data analytics, data cleaning is inevitable, and one of the ways of cleaning data is to remove duplicate. Let's look at this data. We can see we have officer management, officer, mid-management. How can we remove the duplicate in this set of data? It's easy. You go to the data tab and you look for where you have remove duplicate. Immediately you click on remove duplicate, it's going to ask you, does this data have headers? It doesn't have, because Excel is very smart enough to see that there is no, Excel is very smart enough to see that in this data set, we don't have header. So in that case, you only ticked that the data set we are trying to remove a duplicate from is located in column G. So just please press OK, and you can see that all the duplicates will be removed. And it will even tell you the number of duplicates founded. So let me repeat that once again. You have the data set. You click on this, it shows, you can see it now, it has selected all, just like you did. And it doesn't tick my data as headers because it doesn't notice any pattern of it having an header or a label. But it was able to tell us that this data set is located in column G of this worksheet. So when we press OK, you will observe something, and that thing is interesting. 111 duplicate values found and removed. 4 unique values remain. Note that can'ts may include empty cells, spaces, etc. So from the data set, we are able to remove all the duplicate and we have 4 unique left. This is quite interesting. Yes. See you in the next video. Bye for now.